because they're going to miss
Mhm.
stuff that would prove to them that they had to pay the claim. And trust me, again, when I say I've been on properties where I literally am documenting the engineer, the adjuster, the vendor, documenting the damage, but none of that shows up in the report. But if I document them documenting the damage that doesn't show up in the report, I can very easily say, oh, hey, what about these 70 photos that I have of you
Mhm.
documenting the damage on that metal power vent that all of a sudden magically isn't in your report? Then you're saying there's no damage, which is weird because I'm literally over your shoulder watching you measure a hail hit on the power vent, which is covered under the policy and should be fully replaced, but magically that didn't show up in your report. So that's why we say we need to preserve the claim scene, and within that claim scene, make sure that the engineer or adjuster sees everything that they need to see that we
Mhm.
think is pertinent and valuable to getting that loss or that claim fully paid.
Absolutely. Yeah, I think that's the biggest thing is making sure everything's there, because last thing you want to do too is have this person miss something and then now we're struggling down the road and we need this obviously included. Then you got to do a reinspection. It just wastes
Yeah.
everyone's time. So
Yeah.
again, when they want to go out there, say, let me make sure that my team's going to be there. You know, your general contractor, your business manager, property manager, whatever the case may be, public
Right.
adjuster. You know, your team's going to be there. So,
Yeah. And again, if we trust the person, like I've worked with plenty of adjusters over the 11 years that I've been in the business,
mm,
and there are a handful, maybe a handful and a half adjusters and engineers. I'm like, you know what? I trust you. You've done the right thing. If I see that you've missed something, I'll bring it to your attention and then you will
mm,
actually address it versus other engineers or adjusters. And I'm just like, hell no, you're not going on
mm.
my claim scene until I'm there and I am wearing my bulletproof vest because you're going to be pissed because I'm going to force you to do your job. I'm throwing it out there.
One thing I will just
Just
say,
kidding.
Taylor, you just said hail no. So I
Hell no.
caught
That's
that.
right. That's right, brother. All right, y'all. Hey, thank you so much for watching the content that we put out. You guys obviously like it. We're getting a lot of good feedback. There's so many contractors that are interested in the information that we provide. Thank you so much. Do us a favor. If you like the content, which we know you do, please subscribe to our channel,
Yep.
comment, like it, and share with
Share
the
it.
world. We're trying to get this message out to 1 million people to empower insureds and empower contractors to do what's best for them and get the insurance company to fully and fairly pay their claim. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the next episode of the Denial of the Day podcast. BellatorClaims.com. Let us